Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting and optimizing your tech experiences. Are you guys want to improve your Wi-Fi signal without buying a new range extender? In this video, we'll show you how to use a TP-Link router as a Wi-Fi extender in just a few easy steps. You'll learn how to log into the TP-Link router, configure repeater or range extender mode, connect to your existing Wi-Fi network, and maximize wireless coverage for faster, more reliable internet. This complete TP-Link setup guide is perfect for beginners and includes helpful troubleshooting tips to resolve common connection issues. So let's start the setup process. First of all, plug the power adapter into the router and connect it to a power outlet. Turn on the router and wait for the power and internet lights to become stable. Connect your computer to one of the LAN ports on the router using an Ethernet cable. Connect your computer or smartphone to the TP-Link router using Wi-Fi or an Ethernet cable. The default Wi-Fi name is usually printed on the router label. On your connected device, open a web browser and enter http://tplinkwifi.net or http://192.168.0.1 in the address bar. Enter the default login credentials, username, admin, password, admin, unless they have been changed. Now navigate to Advanced, then System, and then Operation Mode. Choose Range Extender Mode or Repeater Mode. Click Save. The router will restart. Once the router restarts, the setup wizard usually launches automatically. Click Scan or Search. The router will display nearby wireless networks. Locate your primary Wi-Fi network and click Connect or Select. Ensure you choose the correct network if multiple Wi-Fi names appear. Type the password for your main wireless network exactly as it is configured. Click Next. The router will verify the credentials before proceeding. You'll now choose how the extended network will appear. Option 1. Use the same Wi-Fi name as your main router for seamless roaming between devices. Option 2. Create a different Wi-Fi name such as Home Wi-Fi_EXT, Office Wi-Fi_EXT. Allow the router approximately 2 to 5 minutes to establish a wireless link with your main router. Do not unplug the router or interrupt the setup during this process. Many TP-Link routers display LED indicators showing the connection status. A steady wireless or signal LED usually indicates a successful connection. Now your setup process is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. In case you face any type of difficulty, you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will always guide you. Thank you so much to watching our video. And lastly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our your YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for more updates.